event at Canvas Preschool is a journey to Before we begin the ceremony, let me remind you all to turn your cell phones to silent mode and be courteous to those around you by refraining from talking loud or getting up from your seats. During the event, we encourage you to express your pride by applauding and cheering to our little Camerons. Now I request Dr. Purita Ladwani, Director Canvas International Preschool, to kindly present the welcome note.
Extended for a year. So thank you everyone. It's been great.
Thank you.
Thanks, very big thank you to all the staff, Punita ma'am, everybody. In very few words, I would like to say, for your kids out here, the opportunities are ample, and yet they keep everything simple.
Thank you so much.
So that was, I think, too late. But yeah, Canvas is developing all-rounders. It's not academic in every front. Child is growing well and developing well. So thank you very much. First of all to Farida ma'am and for the rest all the staff also.
A huge round of applause towards teachers, parents, and helpers. Towards forming
Once again, congratulations to our Canvas for successfully accomplishing a year of learning. We look forward to seeing you at summer camp starting from Monday, 7th of April. Or we will meet in onset in June along with parents for orientation day for coming academic year. Happy summer vacation to you all. Thank you all. Request all parents to come ahead for group photo session. 2 and 3. Close your gap. Dear Cameron, after 1 year of your hard work, learning, participation, now all glory, fame, spark, celebration, applause. all yours. It's moment of tossing the Avita. Agri. Saloni. To collect their certificates. Arnav. Parth. Avira. Rewriting award goes to Avira. Aditya. Arav. Aranj. The distribution of assessment certificates, trophies to inquirers and infants to our canvas today. Pujari sir, kindly join on the stage. Announced for each class and rest all.
Thank you, teachers, you shaped us. Thank you, helpers, for lightning along. Thank you, parents, who stood so strong. You lit the house where we were strong. You wiped your tears through ups and downs. You lifted us when we touched the ground. Your kindness burns a light so proud. Forever we'll walk hand in hand. Thank you, teachers, we won't forget. Thank you, helpers, our hearts are set. Thank you, parents, for every cheer. Making us smile as we end the year.
Dear kids, keep clapping, dear parents. Dear parents, now our canvas will serve their life by telling us what they want to become in their future.
यहीं पर बैठी हूँ यहाँ बैठी हूँ हाँ आपके पास आ रही हूँ बोलना है ना आपको क्या करना है बड़े होकर गाना बोलो गाना लगा दो
Journey towards forming a canvas. So, here our canvas are all set to give graduation performance to show gratitude towards teachers, parents and helpers.
Convinced how the years so bright. We learned so much this day and night. We made good friends. We laughed so free. Created memories for you and me. Thank you, teachers, you showed the way. Thank you, helpers, for every day.
graduation caps. On count of 3, you have to toss your caps. 1, 2, 3. Toss your caps. International Preschool, I thank to all parents, guardians for gracing the event. Once again, congratulations to our Canvans for successfully accomplishing a year of learning. We look forward to see you at Canvas Summer Camp starting from Monday, 7th April. Or we will meet you on 7th of June along with parents for Orientation Day for the coming academic year. A lot of blessings to our creators. We are sure you will excel in your lives and you request all the parents to come ahead for the group photo session.
Every time we do 3 cheers for Canvas, next time we do 3 cheers for Canvas. Good job, kids, good job.
Dear Canvans, after 1 year of your hard work, learning and participation, now all glory, fame, spark, celebration, applause, shout is all yours. Kindly take your seats. Arav Bengle has got an award for Happy Helper. Huge round of applause, please. Group Vaibhav. Gulabsha could not join us for today's celebration, so we move to the next. Himashri. Huge round of applause, please. Please. Phonics Powerhouse Award goes to Samriddhi. Samriddhi could not join us for today's celebration, so we'll move to the next award. Now I call upon students to collect their certificates. Arav Baghel, to Sanish. What goes to Mayank? For today's celebration, so let's move to the next. Door enthusiast. Award goes to Aveer. All-rounder achievers, and the award goes to Zen. Zen could not join us for today's celebration, so let's move to the next. Collaborators and the dancer, award goes to Hridaya. The amazing achiever and dancer, award huge round of applause, please. Dear parents, they will be receiving their assessment certificates. So the first highest attendance award goes to Arshit. The second award is Good Handwriting Award, and the award goes to Shivansh. And this award goes to Raghav. Congratulations. And the award goes to Nilab. Huge round of applause, please. Congratulations. The Know It All Award goes to Kashvi. Kashvi. applause, please. Awesome writer, and this award goes to Nitya. Next award is Joyful Learner, and the award goes to Swara. Huge round of applause, please. Brain, and the award goes to Araf Kamble. That is Happy Helper, and the award goes to Araf Bainley. Join us for today's celebration, so we'll move to the next award. The next award is Enthusiastic Learner, and the award goes to Nilanshi. I request Dr. Punita Dadwani to kindly do the honors of the distribution of assessment cards and trophies to collaborators and creators to our canvas along with our guest of honor for the day. Adhya and family, kindly join on the stage.
We can miss how the years so bright. We learn so much both day and night. We make good friends. We laugh so free, creating memories for you and me. Thank you, teachers, you showed the way. Thank you, helpers, for every day. Thank you, parents, for what you do. We wouldn't be here without all of you. Our pencils raced through lines and books. Our curious eyes gave eager looks. From math to art and stories untied, you lit the paths where we could strive. Thank you, teachers, you shaped our spark. Thank you, helpers, for lightening the dark. Thank you, parents, who stood so strong. You lit the paths where we could strive. Through laughter, tears, through ups and downs, you lifted us when we touched the ground. Your kindness blooms a love so grand. Forever we'll walk hand in hand. Thank you, teachers, we won't forget. Thank you, helpers, our hearts are set. Thank you, parents, forever we cheer. We can then smile as we end the year.
Wonderful, extremely full. Clapping, dear parents. Dear parents.
My name is Aveen. I want to become cricketer. Good morning, everyone. My my name is Aro. I want to become cricketer. Hello everyone, my name is Aro. I want to become Spider-Man. Hello everyone, my name is Hashmi. I want to become a belly dancer. Hello everyone, my name is Nitya. I become a doctor. Hello everyone, my name is Rudya. I want to become a police officer. Hello, my name is Yudhira. I want to become a puppy. Hello everyone, my name is Pangal. I will become cricketer. Everyone, my name is Neelo. I want to become a pilot and Spider-Man. Kunani Nima, name is Sunny. I'm going to become Superman. My name is Sarah. I want to become a teacher. Hello everyone. My name is Rashmi. I want to become police. My name is Ivan. I want to become army officer. Thank you teachers, thank you parents, thank you Didi. Hello everyone, my name is Anjit. I want to police. Thank you teacher, thank you Didi, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Parth. I want to become police. Hello everyone, my name is Sarabhage. I want to become Spider-Man. Hello everyone, my name is Sarishida. I want to become nurse. Hello everyone, my name is Himasri. I want to become doctor. Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I want to become police.
We can build this holiday here so bright. We learn so much both day and night. We make good friends. We laugh so free. Creating memories for you and me. Thank you, teachers, who showed the way. Thank you, helpers, for every day. Thank you, parents, for what you do. We wouldn't be here without all of you. Our pencils raced through lines and books. Our curious eyes gave eager looks. From math to art and Thank you, parents, forever we cheer. We can then smile as we end the year.
Wonderful, extremely full.
Come on, wave your hands. Both hands. Sit, take a seat.
We are glad to have among us
कैसे बिहेव करना है, जनरली कैसे बैठना है.
समाज सेवा संघ स्पोर्ट्स चेयरमैन पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट वॉल International Preschool to kindly present the welcome note.
Giving them experience, don't judge them. मैंने ये सिखाया, तुम्हें आया नहीं आया, आज नहीं आएगा.
PED, MPED, NIS. Now I request Dr. Punita Ladmani to kindly felicitate our guest of honor with token of appreciation.
Our invitation. So that's it. On this note, where we are promising to each other, no judging, no assessment card, no marks, just give exposure. That will be our goal, right? Okay, I'll sign off here and hand over to Supreet teacher to stand in front of everyone. They never said, क्यों नहीं कहा, I don't know, but yes, I'm really thankful to them. उन्होंने कभी point out नहीं किया, तुम ये करते हो, तुम वो करते हो, never. But yes, if something where I'm teasing somebody or troubling somebody or something ethically wrong I am doing or generally our kids are doing.
Good morning all. Before we begin this ceremony, let me remind you all to turn your cell phones to silent mode and be courteous to those around you by refraining from talking loud or getting up from your seats. During the event, we encourage you to present your pride by applauding and cheering for our camels.
मैंने मेरा अध्यक्ष को बोला हमारे जो भी बच्चा आता है तो वो पढ़ाई करेंगे बट पुस्तक नहीं उठाएंगे. उसके अलावा नॉलेज की जो वजन है वो उठाएगा, वो 4 लोगों को दिखाएगा. थोड़ा सा प्लान डिफिकल्ट है बट करेंगे 100 कधी सुटणार नाही. थँक्यू तुम्ही बोलवल्याबद्दल. तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या मनामध्ये आदर करतोय. धन्यवाद तुमचा आणि सगळ्यांच्या टीचरांचा मी आदर करतोय. धन्यवाद. इकडे थांबतोय. तुमचा टाइम घेतल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Dear parents, let's witness this
Friends, I, Dr. Punita Ladwani, Director, Canvas International Preschool, Dhanori. I like saying this line. Okay, so on behalf of my entire Canvas team, I wholeheartedly welcome you for today's event, Graduation Day. It's an event of celebration of hardship. Our Canvas were working with us on daily basis. Probably we were torturing them. So it could be related to phonics activity, show and tell. So the basic idea is about we were trying to give them exposure of each and everything. That's a simple thing. 360-degree holistic development is our objective. So it's not just about writing. It is about writing also. So for that we were doing pre-writing. Then we were sending you message regarding show and tell. You were preparing. You were sending some. Few parents were sending messages to us also that this preparation we have done. So let my child say this statement in the show and tell. For rest, teacher was taking care. So it was like you all parents and we all teachers are. The basic idea was let's give them exposure. Let's give them experience. Why this? It's very simple. You, Canvas, I, everybody, we all human beings, we are made of just two things. One is genetics, God gifted, parents gifted. If you'll go biologically more in deep, 23 chromosome of mother, 23 chromosome of father, and some combination and our personality getting built. So this is something, it's gifted, we cannot do much on this. But the other part is the nurturing, that is experience. So that's in our hand. So that's why we are doing all this phonics, writing, pre-writing, sand play, dough play, sorting, show and tell, circle time, learning time. So this all is for taking care of this. And why? As we have seen, ek chai wala is our Prime Minister. Ek paper wala was missile man. Yes, a missile man, right? We have seen a person with goggles. If you could tell me the name. A person used to wear a goggle and he is wonderful musician. Can you tell me the name? Probably I'll also take the wrong name, but Mr. Ravindra sir, I think if we'll Google it and confirm it. But yes, the idea of sharing these names is, this all is happening because they got right guru at right age, right experience at right age. So it was definitely a combination of nature and nurture. So you parents, we teachers, our role is only let's promise to each other. We will just keep on giving them experience. This all said.
A huge round of applause, please. Now I request our guest of honor to say few words.
मला वाटतं माईकच्या गरज नाहीये. कधी स्पोर्ट टीचर माईक पकडत नाही, ते जे काय आहे ते ग्राउंडला दिसतं. मराठी इज कम्फर्टेबल. ओके, थँक्यू. देवाचं नाव घेऊन, सर्व तुमचा आशीर्वाद घेऊन, तसंच छत्रपती महाराजांचा राजावर आपण राज करत आहोत. त्यांचा कधी आपण विसरू नाही शकत. माझं राज्य कर्नाटक असेल तरी माझं कामाचं राज्य छत्रपती महाराजांचा राज आहे. सो मी त्यांना देव म्हणून त्यांचा आदर करतोय. सो पुणेते मॅडम जसं सांगितलं की मी माझा रेकॉर्डवर सगळं रेड मार्क होतं. सेम टू मी. माझं पण तसंच आहे. पण जे पेरेंट्स आपल्याला घडवतात त्या पोरं कधी तुम्हाला फेल दिसत नाही. रेकॉर्ड माझं मार्क कार्डचं 0 असेल, नाहीतरी रेड कार्ड असेल, पण लाईफला कधी रेड कार्ड देऊ नका. तुमच्या पोरांना घडवा, तुमच्या पोरांना आस्ती प्रॉपर्टी बनवू नका. पोरांना प्रॉपर्टी बनवा. जेव्हा प्रॉपर्टी आपण बनवतोय ना तेव्हा पोरं खराब होतात. पोरांना स्वतः आहे ना प्रॉपर्टी बनवा. तर पुस्तकाचं प्रॉपर्टी नको, अभ्यासाचं प्रॉपर्टी नको. त्यांना घडवा असं आहे की ते नाणं कणकणीत असायला पाहिजे. कसं? जमिनीत नाही, किचडत पण आपण नाणं टाकतोय ना तेव्हा पण नाणं कणकणीत पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे का? खेळाचा आवड घ्या, कुठलाही खेळ टाका, प्रशिक्षण देऊ द्या, त्यांना अभ्यास करू द्या, तसंच क्रीडाचं त्यांना महत्त्व द्या. का? SSC बोर्ड. आता SSC बोर्डचा अजून एक सांगतो की थोडक्यात ते SSC CBSE नाहीतरी ICS बोर्डला त्यांनी ट्रान्सफर करतात असं म्हणून आजचं का परवा दिवशी काहीतरी न्यूज होता. सगळं जिल्हा परिषदचे जे शाळा आहे ते हायर एज्युकेशनला जाणार आहे म्हणून. का? तिकडे का कमी झाले? आपण कुठे कमी झाले? फक्त प्रायव्हेट स्कूल पाहिजे का? जिल्हा परिषद नको का? कोई लोगों ने कुछ लोगों ने ऐसे ये किया है कि वहाँ पर जिला परिषद स्कूल में कई जगह में पढ़ाई का कम होता है. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. मैं जिला परिषद में पढ़ा हुआ लड़का हूँ, आज तक रुका नहीं है. हम लोगों ने ऐसे किया है, मैंने जितना कमाई करता हूँ 1% मैं समाज के लिए मैं कुछ रकम रखता हूँ. हम लोग बिल्लाव समाज सेवा संघ, पुजारी मीट्स बिल्लाव समाज सेवा संघ एक कमेटी है, ट्रस्ट है. सो हम लोगों ने एक ऐसे तय किया है, एक स्कूल बनाएंगे, उसमें मंदिर रहेगा और जो बच्चों को जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है उसके ऊपर हम लोग कार्यक्रम करेंगे. वो बच्चों को उसी पे ही फाइन बनाएंगे. और ऐसे बनाया मैंने, मेरा हिसाब से प्लान बनाया, वो बच्चा बोझ नहीं उठाएगा. अभी कम से कम फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा मेरा अभी इनके स्कूल में मेरा जूनियर और सॉरी बेबी का.
Memorial moment of sheer joy, I request our little Canvins to start the graduation procession on the start of the music.
And when she at the year, at that time she was not open to everyone. She was very scared. Nobody used to share her ideas with her. But in this 1 year, she has developed.
Along with her family to grace our event as a guest of honor, I request Dr. Punita Ladwani to kindly felicitate our alumna Miss Adhya and family by presenting token of appreciation.
Make sure that your child is ready for that. Every day we are setting home assignments, so you are putting in time for making your child do those home assignments. So really thankful to you, and I hand over to my team to take it further.
I am in grade 1B and I am studying very nicely. I miss my teachers and friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fatima. Kids also to understand, result 0, no problem. Effort should be 100%. That's it. Okay, I'll hand over for Gyan area. All parents are more Gyani than me. We all try our own strategies in life. So absolutely, we see एक पेपर वाला मिसाइल मैन बन गया just because of their guru in life, just because of getting exposure. So why we should not give right exposure to our kids? So we all together.
Didn't allow touch and she woke up and let's go daddy, don't delay, otherwise ma'am will say why are you late Adhya? You should come on time. So she are forcing me to get ready. Let's reach there. I want to meet ma'am, teacher. So I really feel good, and whatever she learned, very good. Thanks for inviting and connecting with former students also.
Thank you very much for your kind words, sir.
My father, she was here in UKG class last year. When she was here, she really enjoyed, not even in term of study, assignment, but here she got good opportunity to speak up, which is main. Now she is in grade 1, and whatever she learned here means the basic, this should more important in terms of your education. Study is important, which I am not denying, but along with the study, we also want our child to speak up in front of others, which she having that quality, which she learn, and especially thanks to all teams, which easily accessible means you can approach on WhatsApp and you can visit to school, and especially thanks to to connect the former students, so they feel precious. My daughter was very excited when she came to know that again I am going to Canvas, and see today.
Punita Ladwani, I feel proud while saying this. I keep on doing it, Dr. Punita Ladwani. Okay, so here again, I am Dr. Punita Ladwani, Director for Canvas International Preschool. Take immense pleasure in having you all on behalf of my entire Canvas team for this, the most adorable event of the whole academic session, where kids will be walking on this red carpet with cute gown. They are gonna look so adorable. So this is the event personally I wait the whole year, and then we'll get the opportunity to see them in this attire. And so here we have gathered for Graduation Day celebration. Before I start, I would like to say a special welcome to Adya and Atul Pawasa for accepting our invite. Adya, you can gather and say hi to everyone. Come here.
Hi everyone, my name is Adya Polwar.
So sweet, amazing. That's sweet. So we make sure that on graduation day, we invite our alumni, our former students, so that this ball keeps on rolling. We don't want to get disconnected with our student. We always want to stay in touch whenever they'll become collector or doctor or doing nothing and becoming sage, whatever they want to do in their life, whatever they decide for their life. But yeah, we want to stay in touch with them. So this is the day where we are celebrating 1 year of hardship of our candidates. They have put in lots of efforts. We were like torturing them, troubling them, and doing lots of things. Our purpose was like giving exposure to them in terms of phonics, exposure in terms of finer motor development, speaking, oratory, writing, pre-writing. So yeah, we can say it's a torture. But yes, we wanted to give them exposure. And reason why this exposure? I guess it's very simple. Not even just canvas, but we all human beings. Everybody, all of us is made of outcome of just two things. One is genetics, which is God gifted. We cannot do anything. It's like nature is giving you, we can call it nature. But the rest of the part is experience, exposure, which we call it nurture. So you as a parent community, I as in my educational community, what's our responsibility? Our responsibility is just to give experience, exposure, like just they need to see, okay, something like phonics is there, something like health, taking care of health is there. In simple language, if I'll say, it's our responsibility to tell them what is right to eat. Let's not eat junk food. It is our responsibility to tell them, sit like this. It's our responsibility to give them exposure where they can respect others, they can be kind to others. So it's not just about conceptual learning, it's about being a good human being also. Our annual day was completely based on this theme. So learning is not just let's learn to read and write, it's about being good human.